Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on your pictures right away. You can also tap on folders and look for them over here. Then, to attach any of your photos, just click on the chosen one. And to add another one, just go back to the same settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!